Hi guys, I got to show you Xbox 360 to connect to Xbox Live on Ethernet cable. This is very simple version. The Ethernet cable talk to Xbox 360. This is go to connect to Xbox Live. This is very simple. See ya. This is my laptop to talk to the Ethernet cable to go to internet. This is my router. This is my router to go to talk to Xbox 360 to connect to Xbox Live. My router, this is a very speed download, speed URL, email Peter adapter to everybody's speed. This is very simple to talk to Xbox 360. The very simple. I'm go to the Ethernet cable. This color to yellow. This is Ethernet cable. This is Ethernet cable. This is to Ethernet cable to talk to Xbox 360. This is very simple. Look, this is Ethernet cable to talk to Xbox 360. And look, this I'm going to talk to the Xbox 360. See? This is my Ethernet cable to talk to my Xbox 360. Look, this very simple to talk to Xbox 360, and this is go to connect to the Xbox Live. This very simple. Yes. I'm go to my TV and turn on to my TV. Look, I'm go to the system setting. go to the network setting and click. Look, this wired network is active. Just reverse this to talk to Ethernet cable, the active. Just click. Go to Xbox Live connection. Go to test Xbox Live connection and click yes. This to go to the network connected, internet connected, go to Xbox Live. This is connected to Xbox Live. It is complete. Network connected, internet connected, Xbox Live connected. This I'm go to the seek in or out and click. So this is Bob. This is my name, Bob. To Xbox Live. Seek into or to Xbox Live and click to seek in the Xbox Live. I'm go to the this is my application. This is my application to the search to URL and my application home social. This is my answer Live Mountain 993 to go my friend. This is my friend to Lord Diamond. Just click. So this is my friend to the Xbox Live. And text. This very issues to online to friend, my friend. That friend, so just this is TV on Xbox Live, the very amazing. So this is my video. It is YouTube, Fan Handy Movies, Hulu Plus, Windows Media Center, Netflix, Video Player, Zuna Video. I'm go to Zune Video. this Pick for Me, Spotlight, movies, TV, video collection, and this Play to Xbox Live. This is my video to back to the Xbox dashboard home. This is my YouTube. YouTube just download the free download and download just my apps, download app. It is a video. Everybody video is apply to YouTube Xbox Live. YouTube, Netflix, everybody complete. Search for apps. Any question to my talk? If any question, answer again. This is my life mountain 93 is to add me is free. Good luck.